today we shall do a tutorial on how to create a Metamask wallet. Now this tutorial will be a straight to the point tutorial. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to do is go to metamask.io. You should see it here, metamask.io. Remember, this will be a wallet that you'll be storing some funds in it, so it should read here metamask.io. I'll leave a link to it in the description for good measure. So always refer, like if you don't create an account immediately as you're watching this video, always check to see if it is metamask.io. And so after here, you're going to come to download. You download a Chrome extension of the wallet. So as we can see here, you can either download a Chrome extension, an iOS or an Android extension. You might be like, why should you be creating a MetaMask wallet? Now the reason for this is because there are some cryptocurrencies on pancakeswap and on Uniswap which you cannot get on exchanges. So some of the cryptocurrencies listed on get.io are first listed on Uniswap or on pancakeswap before they come to get.io. So as I've always said, the earlier you get your crypto, the more gains you stand to make. So if you're getting your crypto when it's just launched on a launch pad, you'll make more gains than some people who got their crypto from pancakeswap or Uniswap. And those people who buy from pancakeswap or on Uniswap make more gains than those who will buy from get.io. And those from get.io will make more gains than those who will buy from Coinbase or on Binance. So the more you wait to buy your crypto, the less gains you will make. And the earlier you buy your crypto, the more gains you will make. However, you also stand a higher risk when you are buying your crypto early. So the game is about risk. It's about risk tolerance. I always talk about risks on all of my videos, so just be careful about this. Metamask also helps because there are some people like in the US, if you cannot participate in just buying crypto from get.io, you can use Metamask to get that crypto from pancakeswap. So let's continue. You have to download this to your Chrome extension. We come here to install Metamask for Chrome, add extension. So now we go to get started. If you already have a Metamask account or Metamask wallet, you can just click here and import your seed phrase from the other Metamask wallet. We'll see what a seed phrase is in a minute. Or if you don't have a Metamask wallet, you can come here to create wallet. So you come here and I agree. Yeah, here you just have to create a password and confirm password. You don't have to put any email, nothing. It is just a wallet that has a password. So here you'll have your secret recovery phrase. This is the phrase you don't have to share with anyone, not even your best friend. So you have to, it is better to write it down in a piece of paper and hide it somewhere. It should not be connected to the internet in any way, because if you lose this wallet or if you uninstall Chrome from your browser or if you lose your laptop or whatever device you're using, you can always use this recovery phrase to get the wallet back. So we click here. Now the phrase should be in this exact order. Remember, it's good to write this down somewhere on a piece of paper, not to copy and paste it in your computer, except you have some spare device that is never connected to the internet. Now we have to click here in the exact order that it was shown in the previous page. So now that we have that in that correct order, we have to confirm. So confirm. Congratulations. So now you have your wallet. That's your Metamask wallet. Now we're going to look at how to link the Binance Smart Chain to this wallet, because now you can only use this wallet to buy crypto on Ethereum. So here you have Ethereum mainnet, but we want the Binance Smart Chain to also be here, so that you can buy any crypto or you can swap crypto on pancakeswap, because pancakeswap is on the Binance Smart Chain. So we need the Binance Smart Chain link here so that we can trade on pancakeswap. So this here, account 1, you can create multiple accounts if you want to. You can come here and create another account. So this here is your public key. If you want to send, say, cryptocurrency from your Binance account or from any other account that you have, you can use this key as your destination address. So to connect your wallet to the Binance Smart Chain, what you need to do is come here to your account, navigate to settings, you come here to networks, and you want to click on add network. That is to add the Binance Smart Chain network. I'm going to leave all of this in the description so that you can just copy and paste when you're setting this up. So now that we got that field, you can just click on save, and now you will see Smart Chain here. You remember we have ETH here, now we have BNB, which means you can now transfer Binance BNB coin into Metamask, because Metamask is originally an Ethereum wallet. So now you have your wallet, your Metamask wallet, and it's linked with the Binance Smart Chain, and that's it. Pretty much you can transfer your BNB into MetaMask, and you shop or you buy any crypto on pancakeswap. Now on pancakeswap, you will be buying your crypto using your Metamask wallet and BNB. So if you have USDT in your Binance account, to buy a crypto on pancakeswap, you will need to buy BNB from Binance or Coinbase or any other exchange you are using. You will need to buy BNB coin, and then you go to pancakeswap. pancakeswap has to be linked with your Metamask wallet, and so you swap your BNB for any other crypto that you want to buy on pancakeswap. So a brief example of that will be here. So here you click on pancakeswap, and here we are on pancakeswap. So here you just come and connect your wallet to pancakeswap. This is Metamask wallet. We connect Metamask wallet. It will identify the wallet on the Chrome extension. That's the account. Next, connect, and now your wallet is connected to pancakeswap. Now let's go to trade, just exchange. Voila. So here we can buy or we can swap. Anyway, in cryptocurrency, basically you are swapping. Yeah, you are swapping. Anytime you say you are buying something, actually you are just swapping. You are exchanging that thing for another thing that you want. It's the same like buying anything online or in our normal day-to-day life. So here you come and we have BNB here. So you need to have BNB. Remember, I don't know if you're new to my channel but if you've been watching my videos, then you know that BNB is an exchange token. So in the categories of cryptos I mentioned, and I will leave a link to cryptocurrency categories right up here, you may check that out. BNB is an exchange token, so it is used to buy anything on the Binance Smart Chain. You use ETH to buy anything on Ethereum, and you use BNB to buy anything on Binance. So ETH is both a currency for Ethereum, and it's like, though Ethereum is not an exchange, you could have called ETH an exchange token. So you use ETH to buy anything on Ethereum. So Ethereum is the infrastructure and ETH is the currency for that infrastructure. So here we have BNB, so it's Binance coin. pancakeswap is on the Binance Smart Chain, which is like the infrastructure. On that infrastructure, you have a currency that buys anything on that infrastructure. So we have other cryptocurrencies that you can shop from that infrastructure, and what you can use to buy them is the currency of that infrastructure, which in this case is BNB. So you can take your regular dollars, go to Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, or any other exchange that you may know, and you buy BNB. Now this BNB is what you will use to shop any crypto from pancakeswap, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. I hope that is understood. So here, let's say we select currency. So look at AdaPad. AdaPad is a currency that has not yet been listed on any exchange yet. And I think now AdaPad is like at 72 cents. As of yesterday, it was at 72 cents. Mark my words, today is the 13th of October, 2021. I think I would like to refer to this video 5 years later. 2026, I would like to refer to this video and tell people that I pointed out AdaPad and it will be worth at least $20 by then. So AdaPad is something that you want to have your eyes on. AdaPad, because AdaPad is the launch pad for Cardano. AdaPad is the launch pad for Cardano. The more AdaPad you have, the more you can stake and the more you can partake in launches on Cardano. It is very important. AdaPad is very important, but as of now, it has not been listed on any exchanges yet. It was first launched on Launchpad and now is listed on pancakeswap, which means those who participated in the initial DEX offering of AdaPad have already made profits. And I'm talking for AdaPad made 500x. If you invested about 530, I think, if you invested $1,000 on AdaPad on its initial launch, you would have made about $530,000. A friend of mine invested $250. He made about $44,000. So anyway, that's a lot of stories. So here we can just swap. So let's say you had 10 BNB or 1 BNB. As of now, BNB I think is worth $380. So 1 BNB is worth about $380. And BNB was actually launched. When it was launched, it was only about 15 cents and it went up to $490. And I believe BNB will end up going to, so when you come here and you have some BNB and you want to get AdaPad, you can just swap. So it's just swapping. If you have the amount, you can just enter here. It will tell you how many of AdaPads you can get with the amount that you have placed here. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was very useful to you. And remember to like and subscribe. Ask any other questions that you have in the comments. I will answer all questions. If you have any other problems, you may DM me on Instagram. I'm always open to help. I think those who have been messaging me can testify to that. I never leave my messages unread or unresponded. So thanks so much for watching this video. I am really appreciative of you guys, supporting me here and liking and commenting and maybe sharing this video. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope I didn't make it too long and I hope it did help you out. Thanks so much and see you in the next video.